Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap San Carlos local and long-distance movers near me. Did you secure a new apartment? Are you planning to relocate to a new place? Do you require the assistance of a reputable moving company? If that's the case, this is for you. 3Movers should be your ideal relocation firm for all of your needs. In San Carlos, we offer the most affordable local and long-distance moving services. If you're seeking movers who will handle every aspect of your move, we're the most acceptable choice. We deliver a dependable, effective, and timely moving service. We can take charge of your relocation and always provide satisfactory outcomes. Our superior service and customizable packages set us apart from other San Carlos moving firms. We offer a team of experienced movers as well as cutting-edge moving vehicles and equipment. Our customer service is one of a kind, and we establish strong working relationships with our customers. A brief review of our unique services will demonstrate why we are the ideal moving company for you. We have various packages for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Carlos moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.